In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Photoshop to Figma. If you've ever designed something in Photoshop and wanted to keep working on it in Figma without losing your layer structure, text editability or effects, this walkthrough is for you. We'll move your work over cleanly using a PSD file and a Figma plugin, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything lands the way you expect. Start in Photoshop and export your files as a PSD. A PSD is Photoshop's native format, and it's what preserves your layers, text, and effects. Before you export, make sure you are saving the working version with all layers visible and organized. Clear layer names can make a big difference once you are inside Figma. If you use text, keep it as editable text layers rather than rasterized type so it can carry over properly. When you are ready, save the file as a PSD so it's easy to find. Next, open your design in Figma. This is the file or project where you want your Photoshop content to live. You can place the imported content on an existing page or bring it into a dedicated area so you can review and reorganize after import. Keeping a little space ready on your canvas helps you compare and tidy things up once the layers come in. Now press Ctrl and / to open the plugin search in Figma. Then type psd.to.design. This shortcut opens Figma's quick search so you can find and run plugins without hunting through menus. Select psd.to.design from the results to open it. If your file is large, give Figma a second to load the plugin interface. Open and run the plugin, then browse to your Photoshop file inside the plugin and click Import. You'll see a file picker navigate to the PSD you saved earlier and confirm. The plugin will process the file and bring it into your Figma document. Import time depends on the size and complexity of your PSD. So don't worry if it takes a moment. When it finishes, your layers should appear in Figma with the same structure you set up in Photoshop. Once imported, you can edit the text while preserving the layer structure and effects. Click on any text to confirm it's fully editable, then scan your Layers panel to see groups and sublayers preserved. Common effects like shadows, strokes, and blending often translate well, though you may want to spot check a few key elements for accuracy. If something looks off, minor adjustments to styles in Figma usually dial it in quickly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.